because I am going to do the French looks for the snails for you. Okay, top first and here for 60 seconds. All right. Ah, Lily. So I'm go ahead and using number 16. Yeah, this one is so beautiful. It's just hard to choose which one, but this one looks cute. And I'm gonna use that once, okay, for the French look. And for the first thing first, we're going to do a premium iHo Chanfrefoil gel. And I'm gonna use it and draw it like just in the French look. Can you hold this? I'm gonna do this one. And I'm gonna draw the French. And keep in mind, you don't have to be really crazy perfect. Just make sure you draw is a smile line, because we're going to draw some of the line to cover highlights of the line between the foil and the colors. So you can see that I did draw. It's not going to be like a perfect, but as long as you get some smile lines on that, you're good to go. All right, here for 30 seconds. And then we're gonna use that foil from the number 16. There's hundreds of different colors at the moment. Right now, I have this one because right next to me. But any foil, you can do it. You can do pink. This one looks good though. I need to do some pink. I have the top similar to this colors and the same pattern flowers. I'm gonna do this one. See how it's gonna turn out. This one looks good with the ombre as well. So however you like, you do it and make it however it's make you happy. I'll do it right there. You see how it's gonna turn out, okay? The reason is I did not matte. I did the top coat already. So then it will help me to, before I stick it on the nails, it will help to not stick on the part that I don't want, like this part right here, I don't want. So the no wet top coat will help me protect and separate them out, like between this foil and the nails. Beautiful. I love it. So now, if you don't want anything else, top coat and good to go, but I want to add some of the, just debating. Should we do this one? Silver or gold? No, silver. Why is it silver or gold? Pink and gold. Pink, it looks good. Pink, it matching with the flowers. Pink or gold? Which one? I am under the camera. Pink or gold? Which one? I already have a gold. Should I do pink? Nobody voting? Nobody voting? And I'll pick pink. Make a pink, of course. You want to see pink because it was gold right here. So, okay, like pink. And see, so easy to do. So then here is really simple step. You can do it right in the center. So so many different ways to draw it. Is the keys is to just really I have to say it's a feather touch, because the illuminating gel painting is already super easy. The pigment, the glitter is absolutely vibrant. So you just need a little go a long way. So only you need to do is like really feather touch. You see that how I are holding one fingers stationary, and then really feather touch on it. That's it. That's all you need. And clear for 30 seconds. So now if you don't want anything else, absolutely leave it alone and you're good to go. You don't need to add anything else. But you want anything else on, you can't. And then here is a cute, simple way for a lot of, I think I see amethyst. Do you have a ribbon? It's like a ribbon? Ribbon in pink or ribbon in amethyst? Or whatever ribbons you have. You don't have a ribbon? Then I have a ribbon from the Ultimate Crystal Kits as well. Ultimate Crystal Kit. Is this one the Ultimate Crystal Kits? Is the in the Aurora. If you want that one. This one have a heart that, oh my god, I love this one. This one's have a heart too. Look at how cute he is. Today we don't do bows because we do bows so many times. But I love the bows as well. This Aurora Borrowers kit, is it perfect for you to do any designs you want? All right, here. But I need some AB. So, should we do AB on this one? Yes or no? Or should we do some colors? AB is gorgeous. Colors also gorgeous too. I can do anything you want. Including this. Do I have any voting at all? No voting? No one say anything?
AB and color.
AB? Huh? AB and color?
Oh, if you can do AB, you can do AB.
AB, right there. That's it. That's all you need. Okay, I know what I did. We are going to using condensed glue gel and the wet top coat. How's everyone doing so far? So far, so good. Yeah, enjoying it? Me? I'm really enjoying it. It's just really cool. It's really, be honest. you should see my face about half an hour ago. No wet top coat. But I still happy. I still smile. Still doing it. Fun.
Well, a quick reminder to everyone. If you want to use any product that Nancy's using, everything is available online at glitzaccessorysearch.com. And we currently have the Valentine flash sale going on this weekend. So get everything up to 50% off. Have fun.
You know what? It looks like it's the neck of the top. And this is the V-neck or whatever neck that had a little ribbon. That's all you get. How about that? That's good? I need the arrow though. Did you have an arrow? Did you get the arrow?
I'm sure you have some. Or use it. Yes. Arrow.
No, I don't want that arrow.
How small do you want it?
I want like an arrow, like a V one. Like a V like this one.
Okay.
Like, oh, I don't see it. Oh, right here. Like this V. But if you don't see it, it's just okay. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal.
There's a bit of triangle on there.
I'm having so much fun. Thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to doing it with you. We're having so much fun right now. Thank you for hanging out with me. Ah, looks so cute. Hey, you can do continues. You want to do like arrows if you want to add more on. Or you just leave it alone. As I say, you do not have to do exact identical if you have a short nails. As I say, we have videos on the short nails as well. We have a short nails doing a lot of different designs as well for short nails and a long nails. So please feel free to check them out. I really like that. So beautiful. So also, if you don't want any crystal on, you want to leave the nails alone, absolutely. Look, I'm gonna move this a little bit because sometimes we're doing on our angles right here and it might be offside a little bit for the clients. Make sure you are going to check on the both side. Okay. Good. Happy with this? We're going to gear for 60 seconds. Actually, I do like this one though.